On this leg, the bandings, the 6 bandings, are already glued and dried, so they're a little proud of the surface of the turned tapered leg. So I need to work these bandings down so that they coincide with the mahogany turning, and that involves a couple tools here. First of all, at the ends I need to flatten these things at the very end with a chisel. I can't get my hand plane back in there, so I'll use the chisel for a little bit. I won't go all the way because I want to use the scraper blade to get down to the last bit. So that's enough now that I think I can work it with the block plane, but let me do the bottom end here the same way. These were put in with hot hide glue, so it's pretty easy to clean this up. Actually, I'm going to use the block plane here for a little bit. Flatten these things. Okay, let me come back the other way. I'm not taking very much off. That blade on the plane does not protrude very far. I don't want it to try to take off too much at a time. It could tear maybe. Although I did sharpen the blade again just to be safe. That's good enough that now I can get the rest with a scraper blade. And again, I sharpened the scraper blade for this work. I sharpened about 5 of them, so I have enough of them to get this job done on all the legs. Even if there's a little bit of hide glue left on the surface, it's not so bad. The finish still works. Hide glue is pretty transparent, the kind of finishes I do. And also there's a little bit of glue that's filling up places where the groove may be a little bit wider than the banding. Okay. You can almost use your fingers to feel stuff more than you can see it. I use my fingers a lot when doing finishing work. So I need to do that for all 6 of these bandings, and then I can take some, 220 or something. Yeah, this is 220, and I can just make sure that everything is all coincide here, flattened or what have you. Alright,